This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and today we're working on a Prius headlight that I'm trying to make a little brighter. So I have the H11 is the standard one that comes with the car, and I've tried HID kit to see if I can get a brighter response, but still doesn't seem too bright. These are H9s, which are only about $7.50, made by Philips. To make them fit, though, you have to just break off a little tab on the inside, and I'm going to use these diagonal pliers, these dikes, to reach in there and just cut off this tab. So this is the garage door with the two HIDs on the left and right. We're going to try this H9 from Sylvania to see if there's a difference. We'll try it on the left hand side. So here comes the H9. It's going to go in to the power supply, the regular power supply coming from the Prius. And now that that bottom plastic piece has been removed, should be able to fit in. Can wiggle it in. There it goes. So it went in nice and deep. I'm going to go ahead and put this into the socket here, and we'll test it out. We got the new bulb in position. I put it in with it facing out toward my left. I swung it down to where it's pointing toward 6 o'clock. Let's test it out. This is the H9 here on this side and the HID over on this side. So it looks like the top bigger plastic pin you can leave in, but the little guy down here, that's when we want to snip out. So diagonal pliers. And they're deep enough. Okay. So I think that'll work. Separate these terminals a little bit more. Alright, let's try that now. So if we can separate these terminals again. Yeah, I can see that little pin in there. Got rid of the plastic piece. Separate these terminals a little bit more. There we go. So if you're looking at the bulb, it's pointing up toward 12 o'clock. The one that's also on the top, that's the one you want to remove. The one on the bottom, it's okay to keep there. You don't have to remove that one. It's pretty straight. All right, we're going to put them in. This little tab has to go into that arch part on the top. So the orientation, put these together, would be like that. Slide them in until they lock. There we go. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and put this one back in. This is the H9 test. Going up a driveway. So this is off, on. Pretty good illumination.
So the H9s were a little brighter than the HIDs and worked great. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.